When it comes to improving your home's comfort, windows play a bigger role than many homeowners realize. In Austin, where summers are long and hot and storms can roll in quickly, choosing the right window style and having it installed professionally makes all the difference. Awning windows, in particular, offer unique advantages, but their performance depends heavily on proper installation. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's how professional awning window installation can enhance comfort in your Austin home. Maximizing ventilation without letting in rain. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a small shield that helps block rain while allowing fresh air inside. In Austin's climate, where sudden showers are common, this design is especially beneficial. However, to fully enjoy this feature, precise installation is critical. Professional installers ensure the window is level, properly sealed, and securely fastened. This allows the window to open smoothly and maintain its protective angle, so you can enjoy airflow even during light rain without worrying about leaks. Proper placement and sealing help you take full advantage of natural ventilation, reducing stuffiness and improving indoor air quality. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Austin's heat can be relentless, and even small gaps around windows can let hot air seep inside. Poor installation may result in air leaks, uneven sealing, and reduced energy efficiency. Professional installation ensures a tight, secure fit within the window opening. Installers use proper insulation techniques and weatherproofing materials to eliminate gaps that can lead to drafts. With a well-installed awning window, cool air stays inside during the summer, and conditioned air isn't wasted. This leads to more consistent indoor temperatures and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Improving energy efficiency. Modern awning windows often come with energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. While these technologies are designed to improve thermal performance, they only work as intended when installed correctly. Professional installers understand how to align the frame, secure the sash, and apply proper sealing methods to prevent heat transfer. In Austin, where air conditioning systems run frequently, this level of precision helps reduce strain on your HVAC system and may lower energy bills. By combining high-quality windows with expert installation, you create a more energy-efficient home that stays comfortable even during peak summer heat. Reducing outside noise. Austin is a vibrant, growing city, and outside noise can sometimes disrupt indoor comfort. Awning windows, when properly installed, create a strong seal that helps reduce sound infiltration. Professional installation minimizes gaps that could allow noise to enter. The result is a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, ideal for relaxing, working from home, or getting a good night's sleep. Ensuring smooth operation. One of the key benefits of awning windows is their easy crank operation. But improper installation can cause sticking, misalignment, or difficulty opening and closing the window. Experienced installers ensure the window hardware is properly aligned and functions smoothly. This not only enhances convenience but also contributes to long-term durability and performance. When your windows operate effortlessly, you're more likely to use them for ventilation, further improving comfort in your Austin home. Long-term durability and protection. Austin's weather includes strong sun exposure, occasional storms, and seasonal temperature fluctuations. Professional installation helps protect your investment by ensuring the window is securely anchored and properly sealed against the elements. This reduces the risk of water intrusion, frame damage, and premature wear. Over time, that means fewer repairs and greater peace of mind. A comfortable upgrade that lasts. Upgrading to awning windows is a smart move for homeowners seeking better airflow, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced style. But the true benefits come from professional installation that ensures optimal performance. In Austin, where comfort depends on managing heat, humidity, and changing weather conditions, expert installation transforms quality windows into a long-term comfort solution. By choosing professional awning window installation, you're investing in a cooler, quieter, and more enjoyable home environment.